In this video, we'll discuss how to build a successful DeFi app, which is an amazing solution for redefining the financial industry. From essential features to costs, challenges, and monetization strategies, we'll cover it all. On this channel, we share insights into technology, innovation, and the future of digital transformation. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what goes into creating a top-tier DeFi app. So, let's get started. Why is everyone talking about DeFi? The answer lies in the benefits it offers over traditional financial systems. DeFi apps eliminate intermediaries and give users direct access to financial services. This means faster transactions, lower costs, and greater transparency. It is like borrowing, lending, or trading assets securely without needing a bank. DeFi apps are making this a reality and are driving the future of decentralized finance. Building a DeFi app focuses on addressing practical needs. That's why businesses are increasingly adopting DeFi solutions, which offer, number 1, accessibility. DeFi allows users around the world to access financial services, breaking down the barriers of geography and traditional banking systems. Number 2, transparency. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, ensuring complete visibility and fostering trust. Number 3, high returns. DeFi platforms provide opportunities for yield farming, staking, and liquidity provision, attracting investors looking for higher returns. But before we dive deeper, let's categorize the different types of DeFi apps, as they vary significantly based on functionality and target audience. DeFi is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a broad ecosystem designed to meet diverse financial needs. From enabling secure trading to offering innovative lending solutions, each category of DeFi app plays a unique role in reshaping finance, such as, number 1, decentralized exchanges. These platforms allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly without intermediaries. Examples: Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap. Number 2, lending and borrowing platforms. Users can lend their crypto assets to earn interest or borrow against their holdings without credit checks. Examples: Aave, Compound, MakerDAO. Number 3, yield farming and liquidity mining platforms. These apps let users lock up crypto assets to earn rewards, such as tokens or fees, for providing liquidity. Examples: Yearn.finance, Curve Finance. Number 4, stablecoins. Stablecoins are digital currencies pegged to stable assets like the US dollar, reducing volatility. Examples: USDT, Tether, DAI, USDC. Number 5, insurance protocols. DeFi insurance platforms protect users from risks like smart contract failures or hacks. Examples: Nexus Mutual, Cover Protocol. And number 6, decentralized asset management. These platforms enable users to invest in decentralized portfolios or index funds managed by algorithms. Examples: Set Protocol, Melonport. Each of these categories is a building block in the DeFi ecosystem as they solve specific user needs while contributing to a decentralized financial future. So, if you're planning to build a DeFi app, understanding its features and components is the first step. Let's explore what makes a DeFi app truly exceptional. A successful DeFi app creates an excellent user experience and offers powerful features. And here is what your DeFi app should include. Number 1, smart contract integration. Smart contracts automate processes and ensure transparency. It is the backbone of DeFi apps. From lending and borrowing to asset swaps, smart contracts handle it all. Number 2, wallet integration. Allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency securely. This is why supporting popular wallets like MetaMask and others is important. Number 3, decentralized exchanges. Allow users to trade assets without intermediaries and make sure that transactions are secure and cost-efficient. Number 4, yield farming and staking. Provide opportunities for users to lock their assets and earn rewards, and make your platform engaging and rewarding. Number 5, analytics and reporting tools. Help users track their transactions, monitor market trends, and optimize their investments. Number 6, enhanced security features. With DeFi being a prime target for hackers, incorporate features like multi-signature wallets, fraud detection, and advanced encryption, as they are essential. Basically, every feature should focus on security, scalability, and user experience. But while features are exciting, building a DeFi app comes with its own set of challenges. Let's talk about that. The most common challenges businesses face with DeFi are: number 1, security concerns. DeFi apps are frequent targets for hacks and exploits. So, to mitigate risks, conduct rigorous smart contract audits using professional services like QuantStemp or MythX, and regularly update your code to address vulnerabilities. Number 2, scalability issues. High network congestion on blockchains like Ethereum can lead to delays and high fees. So, implement Layer 2 solutions like ZK rollups, or consider using scalable blockchains like Solana. Number 3, regulatory compliance. DeFi regulations vary across countries, so it is safe to stay informed. You can consult blockchain legal experts and incorporate KYC/AML protocols to stay compliant. Number 4, user experience. DeFi platforms can be intimidating for first-time users. So, focus on building intuitive interfaces, providing tutorials, and simplifying complex processes. Number 6, liquidity shortages. Insufficient liquidity can impact user experience. Introduce liquidity mining programs and collaborate with large liquidity pools to address this. So, by proactively addressing these challenges, you can create a DeFi app that's secure, scalable, and user-friendly. Now, let's talk about the costs. Developing a DeFi app can cost anywhere between $10,000 to $100,000, approximately, depending on the app's complexity and features. The estimated cost for developing a DeFi app can vary significantly based on the components involved. For basic DeFi app development, the costs typically range from $50,000 to $80,000, while advanced DeFi app development can cost between $100,000 and $200,000. Smart contract auditing, a critical step for ensuring security, may add an additional $5,000 to $30,000. Crafting a user-friendly and appealing interface with UI/UX design could cost anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000. If you opt to outsource, the cost of hiring a development team can range from $50,000 to $150,000. Lastly, ongoing maintenance and updates for your DeFi app will require an annual investment of $10,000 to $30,000. While the initial investment in building a DeFi app can be substantial, the potential for returns and market growth often makes it a highly rewarding opportunity. So, how can you turn your DeFi app into a profitable venture? Well, here are some proven monetization strategies. Number 1, transaction fees. Earn revenue by charging users a small percentage for each transaction conducted on your platform. Number 2, yield farming and staking fees. Collect a share of the rewards users generate through staking or yield farming activities. Number 3, governance tokens. Launch your platform's tokens and raise funds during initial DEX offerings, IDOs. Number 4, premium features. Provide advanced analytics, specialized tools, or exclusive services through a subscription model. Number 5, advertising and partnerships. Collaborate with other DeFi platforms or businesses to create mutually beneficial partnerships and advertising opportunities. With these strategies, you can establish a sustainable revenue model while driving growth and delivering value to your users. And now, the important question: how can we build DeFi apps? At Idea Usher, we follow a comprehensive and collaborative approach to DeFi app development. Discovery. We work closely with clients to understand their goals and define project requirements. UI/UX design. Our designers create wireframes and prototypes to ensure a seamless user experience. Development. Using agile methodologies, our team develops smart contracts, integrates features, and ensures scalability. Testing. After that, we conduct rigorous testing, including unit, integration, and user acceptance tests, to ensure a bug-free launch. And deployment. Finally, we deploy the app on secure servers or cloud platforms and offer ongoing support to keep it running smoothly. Building a DeFi app is a step toward transforming the financial industry. With a focus on features, challenges, and costs, you can create a solution that serves the needs